Just like sound and light, heat is another form of energy. Heat is transferred whenever there is a temperature difference. Let us understand key terms like heat, temperature with this activity. Let us take these three containers. Container to the left side is filled with water. Container in the middle is filled with cooking oil, while the one on the right side is filled with sand. Contents of each container has a mass of 100 grams. If I place these containers in the sun for 1 hour and measure the temperature of its content, what will be the result? Will it be same for each container? Let us use a thermometer to find out. Water is at 51 degrees Celsius, oil at 56 degrees Celsius and sand at 61 degrees Celsius. It turns out that sand has more temperature than oil. Oil has more temperature than water. Though all containers receive the same amount of heat, why such a temperature difference? This has to do with one important concept: specific heat. To know more about heat, temperature, and specific heat, let us take help of water and try to understand these terms with simple activity. We'll take these two plastic bottles. Bottle on the left side is larger and can contain more liquid. In our case, water. Let us assume that the amount of water present in each container is equivalent to the amount of heat present in any substance. We'll also assume that level of water in each container represents the temperature of that substance. Now, let us connect these two containers with a plastic tube. Let us block the plastic tube with clothes peg. This will prevent flow of water from one bottle to another for now. I will add water in both containers. Addition of ink ensures that levels are seen nicely. What will happen if you remove the peg and let water flow through the pipe? Flowing of water from one bottle to another represents transfer of heat in our analogy. After some time, flow of water will stop, as level of water is same in each container. As per our analogy, we can say that temperature of a substance is the same as represented by each container. We can say that heat flows from one substance to another only when there is a temperature difference. Now let us replace a large container on the left side with another one. We'll fill this bottle completely with water. As per our assumption, we can say that bottle on the left side has more temperature as water level is higher in this bottle. How about heat content? Heat content of bottle on the left side is less as it has less water than the one on the right side. Now if I release the peg, in which direction water will move? Temperature is more on the left side while heat content is more on the right side. Let us find out. As you can see, water is flowing from container on the left side to right side. This is because of the water level difference from higher level to lower level. Same is true in case of objects with different temperatures. Heat will always flow from the object with higher temperature to the one with lower temperature. Heat will stop flowing when both objects are at the same temperature. Now let us take these three bottles. We will consider a small bottle as a burner or heat source. Let us place a bottle on the top of the burner. As we are using water in our analogy, we will connect pipe here so that water can enter the container. In our case, heating the bottle is equivalent to adding more water. Right now there is some water in the bottle. As I add more water, level goes up. We can say that the quantity of water increases, heat content of the substance goes up. As level increases, temperature also increases. Now we will repeat the same activity but with different sized container. Will it take the same time to fill the container? No. Reaching from this level to here took 30 seconds for this bottle, while container took 200 seconds to reach the same level. It also means it takes more heat for the container on the right side to raise the temperature equivalent to that on the left. Temperature of both containers is the same, but the container on the right side has more heat content as it has more volume of water. Thus, container on the right has more specific heat value. Find out substances around you and explore how much time it takes to raise the temperature by 10 degrees for each substance. Hope this helps. Thank you.